Okay, we're about ready to leave, but I thought I'd do a quick overview. It'll remind me what I did not do and what I need to do. So one is I did not get to that window, putting the molding around it like that. So that's on the list. Did get to this. So the center part is all good. And we have a start on the back. We have 3 of them complete. We're ready to put in this one and then double up on these. And we cleaned that out, swept it out, so that's much better up there. I thought I would take down some of this siding in here, but I did not get to that yet, so that's on the list to do. Did pull out a bunch of metal that was sitting in here. Have some metal loaded on the truck to take back and take to the salvage yard. Could do it down here, but I just never had time, so I have some other metal to add to it. Did clean this up pretty good, so I can actually get back through there. Did some organizing. Cleaned up quite a bit. Started cleaning here, but didn't finish that. But it's better, so that's really good. Let's go outside because we did find a problem out there. Need to do some priming here. And there's no reason we can't remove the rest of this siding and then start doing this corner here. This I'm not sure how that's going to pan out because those are 3 new windows there. The only ones in the place. So on a good note, these boards are all good. On a bad note is these are not good. I should not have reused some of these. So I'm going to have to get some lumber ready. I'm not sure what I'm going to use. Am I going to use treated? Am I going to use hemlock? I'm leaning towards treated because this is a bad spot right here. The wind, the storms come from that direction over and it blows in right here. So it's not a good area. I didn't notice any bad ones here. I mean, they don't look the greatest, but they're about the same as what they were. So hopefully, whatever I switch them out with over there, anything we have to change from now on will do the same thing. So we have some garbage to put out. Dave will put it out for us. We'll be very grateful of that. We did get our stone pieces in the center of the table here. And the legs seem to be holding fine. I'm not saying they're super solid because I had oiled the stone and then siliconed after it dried. Pretty good, but it never really dries, to a hardness. But they work good. There's not much reason Amy likes them there, so they'll probably stay right there and not be moved around much. And they look really good. Okay. Amy did start removing more wallpaper here. We did hang a mirror up. Does look like we have some wall damage, but no surprise, I did a lot of jacking up on this house. So I'll work on those. Looks like it's just compressed there. Remove some wallpaper over here and expose the yellow. And she really likes this island concept. So it turns out each one of these is about 1 foot wide, 3 feet long, 3 feet high. And there's 2 of them together. So at some point we're going to start making something like that. And then we envisioned something here with a spot that the cooler could slide in underneath. So maybe one like this, and then one without the bottom part. So we're thinking that would look cool and be very functional. Okay. I think that's all the notes for right now. It is cool how they did the red on one wall, which originally was yellow. Amy pried this out. I'm quite sure we're not going to keep this the way it is. I wouldn't mind a wainscoting there, but I don't like it at this level because of the switch. So either the switch needs to be moved or we just drop this down a little bit. But we'll make that decision later. Maybe we can do some, you know, something else there. I got lots of lumber and maybe some other ideas. Okay. I think Ava and Maya are ready to go. Ava, you ready? Ready for a trip? Maya, where are you? Oh, here she is. You ready to go? Okay, let's keep going.